Hello again. Today I come up with a new topic, that is test for purity in order to evaluate chemical purity of a pharmaceutical substance or product. Now, test for purity is essentially designed in order to explore or evaluate a pharmaceutical substance or a product to know whether it is chemically pure or not. Now, the very first question here is that why the test for purity is anyhow essential for any pharmaceutical substance or a product or a therapeutic molecule. And if test for purity is not done anyhow, how this, if in such a case, will affect the therapeutic value of that particular substance. Now, in order to answer these questions, first we have to know what is the difference between a chemically pure and chemically impure substance. Now, substance I here means the pharmaceutical substance or pharmaceutical products. Now, in terms of chemical purity, or chemical purity indicates that the desired substance is totally free from undesired chemicals or substances. That means any pharmaceutical substance or pharmaceutical product is said to be pure if it contains the chemical or chemicals which are sole desired for therapeutic purposes. Now, then what is an impurity, or what is a chemical impurity is? The chemical impurity in case of therapeutic molecule or a substance is presence of undesired chemical or chemicals in desired pharmaceutical substance. That means any chemical or one or more chemicals that are practically not required, but however, if they are present in the pure or the desired product, these undesired chemicals, let it be one or it may be more than one, they are considered as an impurity. And why they are considered as an impurity? This is because these pharmaceutical or these chemicals which are not required anyhow, however, they are present, and hence they are termed as impurity, or they are recognized as impurity. Now, the impurity present in the pharmaceutical substance affects its quality by many ways. For example, impurity present in the pure compound or impurity present in the pharmaceutical substance or drug product can cause it to get deteriorated. The impurity can cause or initiate some side reactions which are anyhow unwanted. The impurity can anyhow manipulate the therapeutic profile of that particular pharmaceutical substance or product, or anyhow the impurity can also causes toxicity, and the toxicity sometimes is to such a great extent that it can danger the life of person taking that particular formulation or pharmaceutical substance or product. So, in order to minimize or in order to compromise all these factors or unwanted effect of impurity, various tests are designed in order to justify that whatever the pharmaceutical substance or product is used for the management of disease, it anyhow must be pure, so that these life-saving medicines are sufficiently be used purposefully without any unwanted effect on human body. So, as per our discussion, it is now clear us that whatever the pharmaceutical substances are used for management of diseases, they essentially or they are mandatory be present in pure form, and their extent of purity is judged by some tests which are known as test for purity. So, tests for purity are nothing but the procedures which are adopted in order to know whether a particular chemical substance or a pharmaceutical substance or a drug product is pure or not. Now, it is a very difficult task to obtain any chemical or a drug product in its utmost pure form. Utmost pure form means 100% pure state. So, as much as required, or wherever applicable, a limit for impurity in a chemical substance or a product is set so that that particular limit do not affect the quality of that particular pharmaceutical substance. So the test for purity anyhow measures the reasonable freedom from impurity in a pharmaceutical substance or drug product. This here means that the test for purity is measure the extent of purity in or extent of purity of a pharmaceutical substance by quantifying that whatever the impurity is present in that particular pharmaceutical substance or drug product is well within a limit and it do not affect the quality of that particular drug substance or product. So, by test of purity, one can access or assess that whatever the impurity is present in a pharmaceutical substance, it is well within a limit. Within a limit means that impurity is in its minimum quantity. The impurity is present in its minimum quantity in which it do not affect the quality of that particular pharmaceutical substance or product. So following are the list of tests that are used to determine test for purity of pharmaceutical substances or drug product. So these tests are ultimately be used in order to know whether the pharmaceutical substance is pure or not, or in other words, we can say the impurity if present in the pharmaceutical substances or drug product, it is well within a limit or not. So these tests are solution clarity, color of solution, pH, loss on ignition, loss on drying, moisture content, and S value. So all these tests are ultimately used in order to judge or determine purity of pharmaceutical substances or drug products.